Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Reading Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Bechelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay? And you're a grown adult, so you're going to make an adult decision right now. Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
Hey, bro.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025.
Dude,
Don't.
Try and fucking hemophilia, bro. Ow, that fucking hurts.
Don't.
Let me get out.
Don't. Get out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
Undo your seatbelt.
I'm not
and get out of the vehicle.
Right now.
You are under arrest.
I'm not conducting
Get
business.
out of your vehicle. Out of your vehicle. Undo your seatbelt. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Undo your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle.
Brian, dude.
Okay?
10-8, call me 85 Edward 47, I think I'm closer.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Fuck you, man.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Fucking break my arm.
I'm not going to break your arm. I don't want to. I want you to get out of the vehicle. Do you not want to get your seatbelt off first?
Fuck, bro.
Why don't you just get your seatbelt off and we'll do this
You're
easy
fucking
way.
breaking my arm, bro.
No.
God damn it, dude. I'm not
You're under
conducting
arrest.
business.
You're under arrest.
I'm not conducting business.
You're under arrest. Okay?
No, for what? Show me the magistrate.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go. You don't want to identify yourself, so we're going to do that. Okay? You don't get to do this, sir.
You don't either, bro. You don't get to go in my car and fucking take me out and break my fucking arm.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm asking you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to do that.
I can't reach my seatbelt.
You can do it with your right arm.
No, I can't.
You can do it with your right arm. So as soon as the other officer gets here, we're going to pull you out and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Right. For traveling, yeah.
Yep.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
47. I'll take another unit.
Get off me, dude! What the fuck is your problem?
Don't.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the fuck?
Resisting me.
What the fuck?
Stop
Fuck
resisting
you!
me.
I'm not
You're
doing
under
this
arrest.
shit! Fucking pull me over there, dude!
Stop
What the fuck?
resisting me.
No, dude! You're
Stop.
fucking attacking me, dude!
Stop.
No! Fuck you, dude! Get the fuck
Stop.
off of me! Get the fuck off
Stop.
me, dude! You stop! Get the fuck off of me, dude! God damn it, dude!
Stop.
No! You fucking stop!
Stop.
You fucking stop!
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested!
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under
You
arrest.
caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my
resisting
way.
Stop.
I got you.
Stop.
What are you guys doing, dude?
You're under arrest.
Fuck you guys. What the fuck? Smash my fucking face, dude!
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and fucking
are.
show me the magistrate!
You are under arrest.
Got it?
What the
Yeah.
fuck is wrong with you guys?
Here, let's get this arm.
What's wrong with you? Stop.
You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
Alright. Got it? No, it's on my short. This one's not
Face
locked
is
in.
burning.
I got you.
I'm traveling.
Thanks. No. Nope. My car.
Look straight. No knives on you, anything?
I'm traveling right now.
You're traveling to jail right now.
Not in the process of conducting business right now. Take me to see the magistrate, please.
Sit down. Feet in.
Do you have any sanitizer stuff? Wipes?
I don't know if I have any wipes.
Start grabbing witness.
Alright, thanks. Do you still need some hand sanitizer?
Yeah, if you have some.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, like
Yep.
blood on my leg.
Cool beans.
Yeah, I saw you. I was driving this way and this guy said, "Hey, needs help," so I pulled over and shit. Oh well.
Huh.
So I'm glad I could help.
Yeah, me too. I'm Brian.
Look, my You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
No, I got it. I just need you have his ID and stuff, this guy's?
Yep. Let me run it real quick and we'll leave it over there.
What's his name?
Fredrick Phillips. 6'7", How long were you struggling for with them?
Oh, just actually right when you pulled up is when, because I had him in a twist lock
Yeah.
and I was just holding there waiting for another unit.
Yeah.
And then he kept trying to pull away and he tried trying to reach him undo his car,
Yeah.
undo his keys, and then he just went crazy.
Yeah.
So good times.
Good?
Yeah. He's a constitutionalist, so he'll have time to take care of that in jail. Cool. If you want to just write his name down.
Yeah, what's your name, brother?
Or actually,
Here.
I just didn't have I left all my paper and stuff.
Yeah, I got it.
No, let me, I'll do it so we don't have to all do subs and stuff. Cool.
We'll do it until 8. I'll do stuff. I gotta work with statements.
Okay, cool. Cool. What's that? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. What's that, sir? Okay, yeah, your car's gonna get towed.
So, really nothing.
What's going on? Actually, hold on.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Shit, I got citizens stopping to help, you know? That's how desperate I looked.
How are you? What was the guy doing? Yeah, you.
So what do you need?
I need to be see the magistrate and show.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
Show my victim. Where's my victim right now?
Me.
I'm just traveling.
Yeah, you're traveling to jail.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Perfect.
I'm a private American.
Okay, cool. Anything else? You're under
I'm
arrest.
ready to see the judge.
Yeah, whenever the jail gets you over to the jail or to the judge, absolutely.
I'll be able to see him
Okay.
right now.
Perfect. Have a good one.
All right.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, no problem.